With exciting new projects shaking the market and opening fresh opportunities, community-driven projects prove that people can turn even the most challenging situations around when they come together. Meme coins, once seen as just a joke, are now making waves and showing that humor and fun can lead to big success in the crypto space. Many of these cryptos are still under $100 million market cap, so there's plenty of room for growth if they gain traction. What if the next meme coin you hear about could be the one that makes a surprise comeback? Stay with us until the end because we're about to explore game-changing projects that could change the crypto space. Celer Network, CELR, a game changer for fast and cheaper crypto transactions. Celer Network, or CELR, is a hidden treasure in the crypto world, aiming to connect different blockchains and making them work smoothly. Created by a team of brilliant PhDs, it focuses on solving big problems like high transaction fees and network congestion, especially in popular areas like DeFi, NFTs, and gaming. By moving transactions off the main chain, Celer reduces costs and speeds things up, with a big win for developers and users. It also supports multiple blockchains like Ethereum and Polkadot, allowing assets and data to flow easily between networks. With a market cap under $130 million and tools for creating a truly connected Web3, Celer is all set to grow as demand for such solutions increases. The next one is a real game changer. 888, a crypto with a lucky touch. 888 is a small cryptocurrency with a growing fan base and a market cap of less than $10 million, making it a hot topic among crypto enthusiasts. All of these tokens are already in circulation, so there's no worry about extra coins being added later. What sets 888 apart is its fun and simple story. It's all about luck, fortune, and aiming for an $888 value. With a roadmap that celebrates every milestone like hitting $8 million or $88 million, it keeps the excitement alive. The developers locked a solid amount of liquidity and even added extra funds, showing their dedication to making 888 stable for trading. Its community is also unique, with over 1,700 Telegram members and 1,100 followers on X who actively cheer for its growth and treat dips as a chance to invest more. This makes 888 stand out in the crowded world of meme coins. Up next, we have something that's making waves. EarthMeta, build and earn in a virtual world. EarthMeta is shaking things up in the Metaverse world, allowing you to own and manage entire virtual cities, something its big competitors Sandbox and Decentraland don't offer. Right now, during its pre-sale phase, early buyers can grab EMT coins and a vast 128% annual return if they stake them. Plus, there's a 10% bonus on token purchases during Stage 5 of the pre-sale, making it even better for investors. What makes EarthMeta extra exciting is the chance to get free virtual cities during this phase, letting you shape and grow a community with real economic value. As the pre-sale continues, more people are jumping in to claim their spot in the promising project. With high returns, a great bonus, and a chance to own virtual cities, EarthMeta quickly becomes a favorite for those looking to be part of the next big thing in digital spaces. Let's move on to a project that's turning heads. 99 Bitcoin, simplifying crypto for everyone. 99 Bitcoin is a game-changing project that makes cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin easy to understand and use, no matter your tech skills or financial knowledge. It's like a friendly online hub with explicit educational content, simple guides for buying and selling crypto, and a supportive community to help newcomers navigate the crypto world. With a global cryptocurrency market expected to grow past $4.94 billion by 2030, platforms like 99 Bitcoin are becoming essential for people interested in this space. Plus, exchanges like DTX, prioritizing safety and user-friendly designs, are set to thrive as interest in crypto trading keeps growing. Moving forward, we'll look at something truly unique. SPX 6900, the meme coin turning heads in 2024. XPX 6900 has become one of 2024's favorite meme coins by breaking away from the usual animal or character themes. Launched in August 2023, it's grown rapidly, hitting a market cap of over $860 million and peaking at $0.989 in October, thanks to exchange listings that made it popular among meme coin lovers. Its playful slogan, 9600 is bigger than 500, hints at flipping the stock market value, drawing fans who enjoy the humor and speculation. Like Doge and 888, SPX 6900 has built a strong, loyal community, helping it stay in CoinMarketCap's top 200. Whether the market is soaring or slowing down, SPX 6900 shows promise as a fun yet resilient investment, with chances for significant gains during bullish phases. Let's check out the following gem in the crypto world. Sentinel DVPN, the privacy-focused crypto. Sentinel, or DVPN, is about keeping your internet usage private and secure. It's a decentralized VPN, meaning you don't need to trust a big company with your data. A community runs it on the Cosmos network. People can share and buy internet bandwidth directly from each other, making it a unique option in a world where privacy is constantly under threat. Sentinel first launched in 2018 and had its moment in 2021 during the crypto boom, reaching a high of $0.05066 before the market cooled down. With privacy concerns growing, its demand is rising again, with a value increase of 67.22% this year. Sentinel also offers extra features like protection from scams and hacks, so it's not just about privacy, but security. With over 22 billion tokens in supply and a supportive community, it's becoming a strong contender for those seeking a privacy-focused crypto solution. Here's the next crypto that could make a significant impact. JetBolt, fast and low-cost DeFi for everyone. JetBolt is here to make decentralized finance or DeFi simple, fast, and affordable. Instead of waiting for days or paying hefty fees through traditional banks, JetBolt's cutting-edge tech allows you to send money, borrow, or trade assets in seconds with minimal costs. With DeFi expected to grow to $800 billion by 2028, JetBolt's focus on speed and affordability is what users seek. It's designed to give people a better alternative to slow and costly banking services, offering a smooth and secure way to handle finances. JetBolt is setting the stage to be a leader in the DeFi world, delivering what people want most: speed, security, and savings. The following crypto is one to watch closely. Solana, the star of the meme coin boom. Solana, or SOL, is grabbing attention as the go-to blockchain for the latest meme coin craze. Known for being fast, scalable, and having super low fees, Solana is powering a wave of meme coins like 888, making its native coin, SOL, a hot pick. In November 2024, SOL's price went above $200, a big jump from its August lows, and experts say it could go up to $500 if the excitement keeps growing. The meme coin ecosystem on Solana is already massive, with a market value of $16 billion and daily trades of over $10 billion, showing just how much people use SOL for transactions. As traders look for successive big wins in meme coins, SOL's role in this frenzy is making it one of the most talked about cryptos, with everyone watching to see how high it can go. Up next is a project that's gaining serious momentum. Bitcoin, the star of the crypto bull run. Bitcoin, the biggest name in cryptocurrency, continues to dominate headlines as it climbs to new heights in November 2024. With the crypto bull run in full swing, experts are buzzing about Bitcoin hitting the $100,000 mark soon and possibly going even higher to $120,000 or $150,000 or beyond. Factors like its limited supply, growing adoption by investors, and global economic trends fuel this surge. The 2024 US election, which brought pro-crypto Donald Trump back into the spotlight, has also added excitement to Bitcoin's growth. Many now see it as a digital gold and a hedge against inflation. As momentum builds, Bitcoin could outperform some of the biggest companies like Apple and Microsoft, proving once again why it's the leader in the crypto world. What's coming next is sure to grab your attention. Pudlana, the fun and useful meme coin. Pudlana is shaking things up by combining humor and real-world use in the meme coin world. Inspired by popular memes, Pudlana isn't just about laughs. It lets users earn rewards through staking, explore unique NFTs, and even support charities. It's a coin that makes you smile while giving back and growing your wallet. While coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu rely mostly on hype, Pudlana focuses on building a strong community and offering real benefits. By blending fun, utility, and teamwork, Pudlana is carving out its place in the growing meme coin market, creating lasting value for everyone involved. Let's take a look at the next exciting crypto project. Flux, building the future of Web3. Flux is a rising star in the world of low-cap cryptos, showing a 25% gain this year and reaching a market cap of about $200 million. This ecosystem is all about creating the foundation for decentralized Web3. The Flux token does a lot. It powers transactions on Flux OS, helps buy resources, works as collateral for nodes, and rewards miners and operators who keep the network running. With over 13,500 nodes globally, Flux offers massive computational power, including more than 107,000 CPU cores and 7+ petabytes of storage. Its setup ensures no single point of failure and 100% uptime. The Flux OS operating system supports this robust network, while CELR, its digital asset platform, handles everything from DeFi to governance. Flux is a key player in creating a more decentralized internet. The next one could be the hidden gem you've been waiting for. Dogecoin, or Doge, the OG meme coin gearing up for big gains. Dogecoin, the original meme coin, is back in action with a price surge of over 50% in just 20 days. This rise mirrors the overall excitement in the crypto market as Bitcoin hits record highs, and Doge follows suit as a symbol of meme coin strength. Currently trading at 37 cents, half its all-time high from May 2021, Doge is poised for more growth. Analysts predict that this bull run could easily surpass 2021's peaks, putting Doge on track to reach its much-anticipated $1 milestone. As Bitcoin profits flow into altcoins, Doge will likely lead the charge, setting the tone for the entire meme coin market. You'll definitely want to keep an eye on what's coming next. Billy, the resilient comeback dog coin. Billy, often called the cutest dog on Solana, started with a wild story. Launched in June 2024, its original developer abandoned the project minutes after launch, deleting all socials. But instead of disappearing, Billy's community kept it alive. Despite a shaky start, Billy reached an all-time high of $0.2211 with a $225 million market cap by July before crashing down to $15 million. Binance quickly boosted Billy by featuring its meme on official merchandise, sparking new interest. After Trump's win, Billy's price jumped 77.1% in 6 days, showing its growth potential. With a market cap under $100 million and a loyal community backing it, Billy is riding a wave of momentum and proving to be a comeback story worth watching in the meme coin world. Which of these rising cryptocurrencies has the most potential to skyrocket in 2025? Remember to like if you found these crypto gems exciting and subscribe for more updates on the latest in the crypto world.